Alright, so first off, ignore everything in this room. I don't know if anybody ever seen my original setup, but I had that desk, cheezits included, and that desk sitting side by side on that wall. I went out yesterday and redone everything. That's not a real leg, that's just hanging there because I don't know what to do with that piece of wood. But I had to take everything off these desks and I'm redoing it. I do have a kitten and a cat in here, so they're gonna be meowing. It'd be cool. This was just kind of putting everything up on the wall or up on the desk after I got it put up here. Let's see, I've got it ledgered off on the back all the way around, and that's what the desk is going to be sitting on, so floating other than that one leg. And I would record the entire process and everything that goes with it, but don't have enough memory for that, so again, ignore everything. So this is about 2 hours after that last part of the video. I went ahead and let me just show you all of it. If you can hear the fan, that's my bad. I've tried to move everything. Don't worry about that monitor. That's not going to stay there. Obviously, it'll probably actually go right there as a chat monitor when it's all said and done. I ain't too crazy about the blue LED around the top monitor, so I don't know if I'll keep that there or not. I may not. I'm not 100 on that yet. But I've got more blue underglow under here now. It's on the inside of that facer board right there. It's hard to do this angle. It's on that. I got it on the back side of that, shining all the way around. Of course, everything is the blue tint setup, so the keyboard, the mouse, well, not the Star Wars PlayStation, but everything else is blue. Monitor's blue, front and back. I gotta put some more stuff in there to make it all shiny again. But yeah, let me know what you think, man. Like, if there's anything you would have done different or anything you would have changed up other than the obvious stuff, let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, guys. Clarify that before I end that, because I don't know why I said alright, guys. This isn't done. I'm still going to take some kind of mat, more than likely like a mouse pad mat, from here all the way over. I'm still going to do a theme to go with this also, but I wanted to put this up just to get some more ideas and see if anybody had any, you know, stuff that they could tell me that I'd be like, oh shit, yeah, I like that. So, okay, now let me know in the comments. Alright, so this will be the last part that I bring to you. This is the desk. Don't mind the big gap right there in that. This is the desk completed. Got LEDs, top, bottom, sides, left, right, back. Everything's blue, baby. But that's everything. I ended up, oh, let me squat down here. I ended up running ledgers all the way through the back, and cord management is something to be desired still. But then I run LEDs on this side. I left a channel in the back there to run LEDs all the way down. There is LEDs behind that TV, or that monitor. Monitor has LEDs on it also. I'll probably end up running a little bit more. Of course, you know, everything over here is blue, blue, blue. It's all blue. It's all blue. So this stuff right here is just some laminate plank flooring stuff that I had laying around. When a buddy of mine moved out, he left a bunch of this, so I made it the top of the desk. And mismatched patterns. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. But don't mind all the trash. I was trying to clean everything. Like, it's still everywhere. Plus there's still kittens in here and a cat, all that. But you think there's anything else that could be done? Like I said, I still got cord management I gotta work on. I can't stand that. That drives me crazy. But if there's anything else you can think of, that's with the lights off, but it is daytime. Let me lower this, see if it does anything to add to the effect. Anyway, yeah, if there's anything you could think of I should do other than tear it down, let me know in the comments. Alright, y'all keep it dirty.